Let's come to the chapter 11, that is air. In this chapter, we will learn about air is all around us, when and uses of air. Look at the below picture. What you have to do, you have to color these balloons with different colors. Now we will learn air is all around us. Air is present everywhere. When we switch on the fan, we can feel the air. But can you see that air? No, we cannot see the air. We can only feel it. Air fills up space. When we blow balloon, it grows bigger. So air fills the space inside the balloon. It also gives shape to things. It gives shape to the balloon. Now come to this activity part. In this activity, what we have to do? We have to take the empty glass bottle and the water in some container. What you have to do? You have to dip this bottle upside down in the water like this. What will you observe? That some bubbles will come out. What it shows? It shows that the glass bottle was not empty. It had air inside it. So by this activity we will learn that air has some shape. We can feel air, as we have seen that we can feel air. When we switch on the fan, we can feel the air of the fan. When we swing, we feel the air. What is wind? Moving air is called wind. It helps us to move things. Uses of wind. Kite. How kite flies? It flies with the help of wind. How our clothes dry? Our clothes dry faster when it is wind. Wind also helps to move a parachute. Now come uses of air. We breathe air. And air also helps birds to fly. Air is also needed for burning. Do you know? Let's come to this activity. Ask your adult to lit up some candle. Then lit up candle in some glass container. Then ask your grown-up to put one other glass container on this. So after some times, what will you observe? That your candle blow out. Why? Because there is no air. So it blows out. So in this way, what we see? We see that air is needed for burning. Now come to this checkpoint. Here you have to write whether this statement is true or false. Let's come to the first part. Air occupies no space. False. Air occupies space. As we have seen, when we blow air in the balloon, it occupies space. Air is needed for burning. True. Now come to the exercise part. Oral questions. Can you see air? No, we cannot see air. Is air needed for burning? Yes, air is required for burning. Tick the correct option. We fill this in a swimming tube. What we fill in a swimming tube? Air. We need air to breathe. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. We can only feel air. We cannot see air. Air fills up empty spaces. We can feel air when it moves. Moving air is called wind. Air occupies space. Match the following. Living things breathe air. Gills, fish. Moving air is called wind. No air, burning candle put out. Air fills space. Answer the following question. Where is air present? Air is present everywhere. When can you feel air? We can feel air when we switch on the fan. We can feel air. What is wind? Moving air is called wind. Write any two uses of wind. Wind helps us in drying our clothes faster. It helps us to fly kites. How does air help birds? Air helps birds in flying. Now, in this project idea, what you have to do, you have to write write your name on the balloon and blow it, and then you have to decorate the classroom with different colors.